There is one story that sticks in my mind, and that is about a woman who went through our bike to work training. She was so appreciative that she was able to get a bike. This woman in particular had a job interview on Monday. By being able to get the training, get the bike, she was able to get to her job interview and actually secure a job. And she was so thrilled about it, she actually started volunteering at Bad Monkey Bikes as well. My name is Colleen McCune. I'm the Executive Director for the Human Services Council. The Human Services Council is a nonprofit organization established in 1957 and has been serving Southwest Washington since that time.
So as I understand, there's employment, reserve a ride, Medicaid. So we'll just start with employment.
That's operated in Clark County, and the purpose of that is to assist low-income individuals in getting to work in a way that really meets their needs.
For employment and bike to work, what geographic area does that cover?
Employment and bike to work covers Clark County only.
What does that on-the-ground process look like?
The clients work typically with their partner organizations like Goodwill Job Connections or WorkSource, and the staff that we partner with there will have them go through the application process. They submit job search logs, so we are assured that they're looking for work, or if they're working, we confirm with their employer that they are actually working at those locations.
So for Medicaid Transportation, who qualifies and goes along with that? How do they start the process if they qualify?
Anyone who's eligible and covered under Medicaid services, so that could be, children, families, seniors who are eligible for Medicaid. So their eligibility is determined by the Department of Social and Health Services. And through that, they also learn about the fact that there is a Medicaid Transportation program. So the state of Washington has a system that they call the broker system for transportation for Medicaid qualified clients who need to get to medical appointments. So through the Medicaid Transportation Program, we provide that service in Cowlitz, Wahkiakum, Clark, Skamania, and Klickitat counties. We contract with a number of community transportation providers, government organizations, volunteer driver programs, as well as offering bus passes or day passes.
I know Human Services Council also does reserve ride transportation, so what's all that about?
Reserve a Ride is operated in Clark, Cowlitz, and Wahkiakum County. The primary objective with that program is to help people get to life-sustaining medical appointments like cancer treatments or dialysis treatments.
Human Services Council also does sponsor a ride programs, so tell us a little bit about sponsor a ride and what that's all about.
We get community donations, and we can provide transportation for seniors and people with disabilities to get to whatever services they might need. It's a nice program, especially for people who maybe live out of Washington State or out of the area, and maybe they have a parent here who needs to get to a shopping trip or to medical appointments.
How does one go about accessing sponsor a ride, or what's the beginning steps?
Through community partners and community outreach, and they call our customer service specialists directly when they need assistance with transportation.
And so is there anything else you'd like to add about Human Services Council as an agency?
Just this last spring, we entered into a contract with C-Tran. We're looking at mobility management for Clark County. The other programs that the Human Services Council operates are around volunteer programs. And in fact, we would love to have volunteers to help us with the one-call, one-click transportation trip resource center.